चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Well, we know at around 7:15 in the evening, the Prime Minister will be taking oath once again for his historic third term. So indeed, a very, very big day for the NDA, for the BJP, for Narendra Modi as well. Take a look at these visuals.
Yes, stay with us, Riyanka, as we also tell our viewers again. These are visuals coming in of Prime Minister's convoy that has PM designate, beg your pardon, convoy that has now arrived at the Rajghat, where homage will be paid to Mahatma Gandhi, following which the Prime Minister designate will also be visiting the National War Memorial. So, of course, a power-packed day today in the run-up to the swearing-in ceremony that will take place at 7:15 p.m. In just some time from now, we'll also put out those visuals of PM designate paying tributes to Mahatma Gandhi. All right.
श्रद्धांजलि देने जा रहे हैं।
Visuals on your screens, PM designate Narendra Modi accompanied by Hardeep Singh Puri and other top leaders and the security personnel, of course, accompanying the PM designate as he moves ahead, marches ahead to pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi. In some time from now, he will also be visiting the National War Memorial. But just to take our viewers through the expectations that are for today, it's going to be a packed day, given that the world leaders have been invited to the swearing-in ceremony from Bangladesh, Mauritius, Maldives to Sri Lanka. World leaders will be a part of the swearing-in ceremony. All right, so as we speak, Prime Minister paying homage to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat, after which he will be heading to Atal Samadhi and later to the War Memorial. But just to tell the viewers tuning in, note that leaders from India's neighborhood and the Indian Ocean region are among the dignitaries, and special invites have also been sent for the swearing-in ceremony. Let's again go across to Riyanka, who continues to be with us. Riyanka, once again talk us through what all can be expected today as a build-up to the swearing-in ceremony at 7:15 p.m.
All right, as you saw, the Prime Minister has already began his day with the seeking blessings from Mahatma Gandhi. He did pay his tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at this particular area of Rajghat, and from here he will be moving forward to pay his tribute to Atal Bihari Vajpayee at the Atal Samadhi, and then he will be moving forward to the National War Memorial. He'll be paying his tributes to the martyrs there. So this is how he begins his day. Earlier as well, we have seen Prime Minister Modi back in 2019 and 2014, the day of oath ceremony. He has been starting his day with the seeking blessings from these esteemed leaders of the country. Moving forward, we know that there will be certain meetings also that will be taking place ahead of Prime Minister designate Narendra Modi taking oath for his historic third term. On the other hand, we know that this mega event will be attended by several top dignitaries, national and international dignitaries from nearly 7 countries will be attending this mega event today, and in presence will be President of Sri Lanka Ranil Wickremesinghe, Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina, and also there will be Prime Minister of Mauritius Pravind Kumar, Prime Minister of Nepal Pushpa Kamal Dahal as well. So these are the leaders who have already arrived, and they will be going ahead and attending this mega event. So we see how important it is for the NDA, for the BJP, and also for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will be taking oath for his third term, because it is indeed a rare scenario. On the other hand, coming up next, we will be getting you all the live updates and visuals of Prime Minister ahead of him taking his oath. Next, he goes ahead to visit the Atal Samadhi. Stay tuned.